Okay, there she sits, 68 Cutlass with a 455 in it. I'm going to try to get as close as I can. Looks like she's got headers on it. I have no idea what that box is. Somebody out there will. I know it's old school. There we go. Cutlass S, a little bit of rust on the bottom fender there. He may have some fenders for this too. Everything else looks pretty good. Nothing back there. Definitely needs work. Let's take a look at her. And of course, all the parts are in here. At least most of them. Wish we had the bucket seat, the other one. Okay. I at least like that sound. No bumper. The keys. There's the keys to the trunk. Oh, we could open that, huh? Let's give it a shot. And all the bird poop. Yep. Okay. There's the trunk. Nice and solid. I'm going to get a lot of snide remarks for this dirty old car, but not mine. It's Frank's, and he parked it here for a reason. Not sure what it is, but he did. Nice and solid. Solid car. You can overlook the dust. I don't see any rust on the bottom of that fender. You know, and I don't know if he has the hood. I haven't seen it. I'll have to look upstairs. Okay, so 68 Cutlass. That'll be the next one he wants to sell. I'm sure I'll probably get it out of here first and clean it up. Maybe get it running. Hard to tell. Yeah. It's not too far from the door anyway, or that door. 68 Cutlass, 455. I guess it was an automatic. Let's find out. I'm looking and I can't see anything. Yep, automatic.